There's Vincent with his new RC cars
by Hot Wheels. And let's see what's inside this one.
Here's a
Ford Fiesta rally car and some Hot Wheels Roadster.
The back looks like a Corvette. Wow. Okay.
So I will be driving this one today. Turn it on, remote on, and come on, let's go. So here it is.
That's whoa. These are whoa. These are new. We didn't know how fast that they would go, and it goes super fast. Where is it? There it is. Holy crud. Oh! Ready, set, go. Go. Full speed. Oh my god!
Whoa.
Oh my god, dude. Looks like something flew off. Stupid Subaru! Whatever piece of crap that is.
So yeah, you can buy these at Walmart for like $20 or like 30 around there, like Walmart or Target. So yeah, see you later.
Oh yeah, guess what?
Oh my god, seriously?
Because of the Minnesota fire, it's all foggy and it smells like smoke. And it really sucks.
It is
and look, it's blackout. That's what happened to the smoke. And Minnesota smoke is coming over to Wisconsin is gonna kill us. So, yeah. Bye.